What is the perimeter of this rectangle? We have 2 on one side and 2 on the other side, and we have 5 on the bottom and 5 on the top. So the perimeter, P, equals 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5, which is 4 plus 10, which is 14 units. As for the area of a rectangle, we have length times width, which is 2 times 5, which is 10 units squared. The area of this square is 25 meters squared. Let's find x. What times what is 25? We have 5 meters times 5 meters equals 25 meters squared. So x equals 5 meters. The diameter of this circle is 8 units. So half of that is the radius. So the radius r equals 4. The circumference formula of a circle is circumference equals pi times d, or 2 pi r. Let's use the pi d formula. So circumference is pi times 8, or 8 pi units. The area of a circle is pi r squared, and the radius is 4. So we have pi times 4 squared, which is pi times 16, which we write as 16 pi units squared. Diameter d equals kr. D is the diameter, r is the radius. We know that the radius goes halfway from the center, r. So k is 2, because 1 diameter equals 2 radii. The volume of a box is length times width times height. Here we have a cube, so we have 3 by 3 by 3. So the volume is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27 units cubed. Now the area of one side of this cube is a square, and it's 3 times 3. So the area of one side is 9. But there are 6 sides. So it's going to be 6 times the area of a square, which is 9. So the area is 6 times 9, which is 54 units squared. Let's find the volume of this box. Volume equals length, width, height all multiplied. So we have these 3 numbers, 2 times 4 times 10, which is 8 times 10, which is 80 units cubed. Now let's find the area. The area of the front is 2 times 4, which is 8. But we also have a back, which is also 8. So front and back, the area is equal to 8 plus 8, which is 16. And now we have to add the sides as well. So the side, we have a 2 times 10, which is 20. We also have a 20 on the left side here. 20 plus 20 is 40. Finally, we're going to add just the top, because the question says we're not including the bottom. So the top, we have 4 by 10, which is 40. So we're going to add the top, not the bottom. So we have 80 plus 16, which is 96 units squared. Let's find the perimeter of this giant shape. We have a square, 4, 4, and 4, and the diameter is 4. So that means the radius, which is halfway, must be 2. So what is the circumference of a circle? The circumference of a circle is pi d, or 2 pi r. Now we're only interested in half a circumference, because we're only going halfway around. So the formula that we're interested in is circumference divided by 2, which is this part over here, which is 2 pi r divided by 2, which becomes pi r, which is pi times the radius 2, which is 2 pi units. So overall, the perimeter is 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 12, plus half a circumference, which was given as 2 pi. Now the area is a square, 4 times 4 is 16, plus half a circle. So it's pi r squared is the area of a circle, divided by 2. So we have 16 plus pi, and the radius is 2. Pi 2 squared divided by 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we have pi times 2, or 2 pi. Units squared.